I've been doing business with Downeast Auto Body for 20 years now, and it's been a great experience. The most recent visit to Downeast Auto Body was actually two. I hit a deer. I did an extensive amount of damage on the truck. Downeast Auto Body took care of me right away and did a beautiful job on the truck. And then within a month and a half, my wife was involved in an accident. The front end of her car was torn off by a plow. They took care of everything. Scott Ash did the estimating, and he was just fantastic. I've been going to him for the last 20 years, every time.
We're the ones that assess the damage to your vehicle, rate what we can see up front, and if your vehicle's not drivable, we then put it out back for a full tear down.
And that process is where I take and I'll analyze the damage, the collision damage to the vehicle, figure out what it needs to bring the car back to pre-accident condition, compare that to what they wrote for an estimate, and then connect the dots so that the end result is a quality repair to restore the vehicle back to pre-accident condition.
This is my quality control bay. It's the last safety net. If anything is wrong with the car, paint-wise, tech-wise, mechanic-wise, I do my best to find it, make sure the customer gets what they expect.
They've always had them done in the allotted time. Never gone over. We've never had to wait. They've always had it done when they said they were going to get it done. The quality of the work is exceptional.
We are a direct repair company for certain insurances. Certain companies trust us to act as their adjusters. Those companies will allow us to write the estimates, order parts, schedule in the repairs, and take it from there.
And that's a big plus when it comes to time. Waiting for an estimator to come from the insurance company can really drag things down. They also had the rental there. You know, with that out of the way, they can jump right on the repairs real quick. Get your car back to you right away.
Having been here since 2001, one of the things that I've really learned along the way is the importance of maintaining that relationship with the customers, seeing them go out the door with their vehicle repaired 100% to their liking really gives us a feeling of having done a good job.
Downeast is still a family-run business, and as big as we are in Brewer, Maine, you don't see that often anymore. So very fortunate for what we have here, and we got a great workforce.
North of Boston, there probably is not a facility that's equipped and trained as much as this facility is. This facility has over 300 years worth of experience with all the collision repair technicians and the painters technicians who are trained at all different levels of repair. The training here is all certified by Toyota, it's certified by Ford and GM. They come into our facility, they look at our equipment, they look at our training program, and they'll approve us for the repairs to their vehicles.
It is our goal to make sure this car goes on the line just the way it was before the accident. And we do our very best to get that done.
I'd just like to thank Downeast Auto Body for all the help and service that they've given myself and all the customers over the years. Thank you.